While scouring a junkyard for a rebuildable engine block may be an enticing way to save money on your next project build, there are some downsides. For starters, it can be a ton of work, not only to find a suitable core to begin with, but also the effort it takes to yank the block out of the vehicle and get it back to your shop. And then, once you get it home, you might discover that there's an overlooked crack or some other damage to the block that sends you right back to the yard to find another one. That's why starting with a fresh block casting can make a ton of sense, and that's why you should hear about these SPC Summit Racing engine blocks. Yes, these are all new castings made in Germany and all new molds. Then they're sent here to the United States for finishing on precision machines. Better still, these blocks are better than even the best junkyard finds because they incorporate features that the original castings didn't have. For example, the lower cylinder bores have been clearanced already so you can drop in a stroker crank without having to bust out your grinder. And each Summit Racing SPC engine block features 4-bolt mains with splayed outers for additional strength on the bottom end. Best of all, Summit Racing offers these blocks in a myriad of bore sizes, mains, and rear main seal options, so you can find the perfect block configuration to base your new build upon. Now sure, getting a fresh new block can cost you a bit more up front, but when you take into account all the time and shop work you'll have to put into sourcing and prepping a good junkyard core, one of these all-new Summit Racing SPC blocks start to become more and more attractive. So if you're ready to begin your next engine build, skip all the hassle and risk of scouring scrapyards and start fresh with one of these premium all-new SPC engine block castings from Summit Racing.